Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm back with another Line tutorial and we are learning how to delete Line account permanently. If you've decided to permanently delete your Line account, you can just do it in a simple way. First of all, launch open the Line application on your device and log into your account. Before deleting your Line account, remember, you'll lose access to all chats, contacts, and data in the account. Your account cannot be recovered later. Your purchased stickers, coins may be lost. So, deleting your Line account is permanent. If you want to proceed anyway, then go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner from the home page of Line. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and click on Account. Inside the Accounts tab, scroll all the way down and click on Delete Account in red. Now in the pop-up, click on Next. On the next page, confirm that you want to delete your account and you are sure of it. Scroll down and click on this I understand circle. Finally, check on all of these boxes and click on Delete Account. Click Delete once again in the pop-up and your account has been successfully deleted. Now you can delete your Line application or uninstall it from your device. That is how you can easily delete your Line account successfully. Whether you are taking a break or moving on, that's a clean slate for you. If you ever decide to come back and join into Line, you'll need to create a brand new account from scratch. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.